Today we're going to talk about the carding wheel. All a carding wheel is just basically a super fine wire wheel that you put on a variable speed motor. Traditionally what you would use this for is removing corrosion during the hot caustic bluing process. We don't do hot caustic bluing here because I don't want cancer, but we have other uses for it. Here at the shop I work at, we use it for removing surface rust. So if you have a firearm that's been, basically buried in the backyard and it's completely rusted down to pitting, that's not going to solve your problem. But if you have a little bit of surface corrosion like this and you want to retain your bluing, you can get that surface rust off without completely having to refinish the entire gun. Now it will leave the bluing that's on there a little bit paler than it normally would be, but you'll still have bluing nonetheless. So for preparation, you can see that this is a high polish bluing on the Soctagon barrel of this beautiful Henry Golden Boy. But this is more of a brushed finish, and I'm not worried about jacking that up. So the first thing I'm going to do is tape off the areas that I don't want the wheel to touch. So first a layer of blue painter's tape, and then a layer of aluminum duct tape. I've got the wheel set to 1800 RPMs, and you just give it a little kiss. You don't want to press too hard. So there it is, all cleaned up. You can see it's a little paler there, but it is not bare steel. There's still bluing present. There's your finished product. Afterwards, you're definitely going to want to put some lubricant on there. That probably would have prevented this trip to the doctor to begin with. So as you can see here, our current carding wheel has a lot of miles on it. If you look them up on Brownells, they're actually kind of expensive. So is it for the hobbyist? Probably not. But for a business owner, definitely a worthy expense. My most used tool in the shop has got to be my 4-ounce gunsmithing hammer, but this carding wheel definitely makes it somewhere into the top 10.